Welcome back to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we're here with a 4707 Massey Ferguson. We've actually done a video on this tractor before, but we've got a few things we'd like to show you and teach you about ways that you can pimp your Massey Ferguson. We pre-sold this tractor to a customer, and he's done some very unique things to this tractor to match it perfectly to his operation. And here at Vahrenberg Implement, we're not just about selling the tractor, we're about selling the tractor the way you want it and the way you want to upgrade it. One of the things you can probably see here is we have got a light bar, 52-inch light bar on the front. That is available through the Sparex division of AGCO. We've customized and added that to the front here, so he's got a lot of light. And then when we come around here to the back, we've added two more LED lights on the top of the cab here to get him a lot of light at night. He does a lot of night work. One of the other cool things that he has done is we have a rear view camera system. Got multiple cameras. These are magnet mounts. They are pretty heavy duty suction cup mounts. You can hear that sucker when it jumped down there. Got one there, and we got one up there on our metal roof. You can he was going to help him make it easier to look at the hitch. Some of the things of the 4700, one of that is, you know, we've got our 3-point raise and lowers on both sides. He's ordered this tractor with the 3 sets of remotes, and we have done something. The caps that cover the 3-point outlets, that is an addition that he customized. Got the green, the red, the black stickers to go to each remote valve. Makes it a lot easier. It's got a drain hose that comes right down here. You can buy the little bottle to dump in. He didn't want to go to all that added expense. He just wanted to keep it clean back here. So these caps here are going to catch the oil, and they'll flow through those hoses to the back. So that's something that you can upgrade on your 4700 if you've already got one. This one's got the 540 economy PTO in it. Drawbar pin comes with it, top link comes with it, rear wiper comes standard equipment with it. Got your washer fluid right here. There's the other 3-point raise and lower on the back side. But Trailberg radial tires are standard. We've got the 3 sets of wheel weights on it, and one thing on the front. Now I will mention that if you're using the FL 3615 loader like he has here, this will come into contact on the back and will need to be removed, but it's a front tow hitch, comes with the pin. He pulls a lot of stuff when he doesn't have his loader on, and he wants this on here. We mounted it just to show you. It is an option that is available. The front tow hitch is available, connects to the cast iron frame here on the 4700. Easy pop-up hood. If you're new to a 4700, we got heavy duty metal hoods, easy maintenance. Got your air cleaner up front, your field start battery, your coolant overflow, clean out screen. One thing people have asked me, this little knob here is going to fit in that little notch. So if you pull out and it doesn't want to, you just got to pull this way a little bit. Makes it a little easier to get that screen out. Fuel cooler up here in front, your fuel filters back there, air conditioner. You have your clutch master cylinder up there. Simple, easy. The 4700 series does not have a diesel particulate filter, so there is no regeneration. There is no DEF on this tractor. It does utilize the EGR. You've got your engine oil filter, your fill, and your dipstick all right there handy. This one has the FL 3615 loader, which is a mechanical self-leveling loader. One of the other cool features of a 4700, dual door cabs. You can get it And there we've got his rear camera system mounted to this with the ram mount from AGCO Parts. You mount this on the post, vertical post or the horizontal post to position it. This way it fits right, tucks in here. And we're going to jump up here and show you some of that stuff real quick. But we just kind of wanted to do an overview of the 4700 series. This tractor is going to weigh in, and we'll just go back here to the back because the facts don't lie. If you look right there, 9,920 pounds for a utility tractor. This is a heavyweight, heavy duty, heavy use utility tractor. Go check the competition out. Are you buying cast iron? Are you buying plastic, aluminum, and a lightweight tractor that when you start picking up a load, the back end picks up off the ground? Premium radial tires. You get standard, you get 2 mid lights. You're going to have 2 upper lights standard. You can upgrade like he did. And 2 work lights on the back are standard. Ground level fueling. And we're going to jump up into this cab and check out some of his toys and tools that he added to his tractor to make it more useful to him. This is the overview system from AGCO Parts. This one, actually, the wiring cable has a cigarette lighter adapter, and you have one right back here in the back. All you got to do is push the button there, and you can see the camera. That's the one from the upper view. We can hit, tighten our little buttons here. You can push this up, and then that's the fender, one off the fender here. You can see back. You can move them mounts wherever you want. You can run up to 4 cameras on this system. You can control the brightness, the menu there. You can go, there's 4. You can see 2 cameras at once. You can see them up and down. You can watch them side by side. I mean, this is a nice option. That's the other 2 cameras if you added them. You can have a long view and 2 short and 2 smaller views, or the single pane view. So overview cameras are available through AGCO Parts. It's one thing that you can customize with these ram mounts. These things make it easy because you can adjust that thing anywhere you want, whatever angle. Still allows you to have full control of your hydraulics, your key, all your functions here, and allows you to move it wherever you want. We added the right cup holder also to this tractor. The 3 remote valves were factory installed. That is an option too as standard equipment. Got the joystick, is going to have soft drive right here. The soft drive button. This is 3rd function, and we've added 3rd function to this tractor also for this customer. Manual throttle, preset engine speed, automatic. Return to it is electronic controlled. Foot throttle. This has got the new forward engage easy shift button. You can see here the distance is very close there, and that hitch would not work in there. We've added the 3rd function kit from AGCO Parts. Connects into the Q compact valve. That's one thing that's special about the FL series loader. You have a distribution valve in here that sends the equal flow to both hoses here, the top hoses on both sides. The bottom is all going to have the exact same amount of oil flowing. Same thing with your raised cylinder. So you've got equal lifting, equal force on your loader lifting stuff. This has got the heavy duty bucket that comes with the FL loader. It's a lot higher carbon steel. It's pre-stressed on the back there, curved. It is a tapered bucket design. You can see the bottom is wider than the top is there. So when the material comes out, it will dump out easier. This is a premium bucket on our premium deluxe loader from Massey Ferguson. all in-greasable pins. That's one of the cool things, is you don't have to hunt and find your things. And we forgot to talk about loader lights. He added loader lights too. This guy, he pimped his Massey out like you wouldn't believe. We got our soft drive. Our soft drive is standard. We've got third function. We've got loader lights. We've got the LED light bar. We got the LED work lights, the dual camera system, and the coupler, color-coded coupler with the catch, hydraulic catch back here on the back, are a lot of the things that he added to this tractor. And the Bluetooth radio. That's one of the things of working with your local Massey Ferguson dealer. They're going to be more than willing to customize these tractors to match your needs and what you need for your operation. Don't just buy a tractor and then want to do this yourself. Just buy it up front, get it done, and your local Massey Ferguson dealer is going to be more than willing to help you put this together, put a package together to customize the tractor to meet your needs, like we did for this customer here at Vahrenberg Implement. And if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer right here on Business 13 and Missouri 13. Just 15 miles from the Missouri River or Lexington, Missouri on 13 Highway, or 4 miles north of Interstate 70. We've got a few tractors in stock, but we got more on order and coming. Still for 2021, the best deal is to custom build that tractor like this customer did. Order the features and the extras and the options that are going to be most beneficial to your operation. Come check them out. Come let your dealer work up a price and help you get the perfect tractor matched for your needs, your budget, and with all the extras to help you reduce those hours in the field, but also make your life easier. Thank you for tuning in to another video, and I hope that helped you learn about some of the cool options that you can pimp your Massey Ferguson from AGCO Parts and Sparex. Genuine suppliers for Massey Ferguson and AGCO products. Get more, do more, get a Massey and get them custom built just the way you need it.